Thanks everyone. Are you good? I'm good, guys. Welcome to the platform, The Labor Lens. We're talking all things labor relations, and on this video we are talking the confronting workplace bullying, right? Confronting the workplace bullying, right? You guys know that in the workplace you always have situations, right, of bullying, right? It can be from management towards the employees, or it can be amongst employees themselves. Okay, so let's get to it. Confronting workplace bullying, right? Workplace bullying is a silent epidemic that erodes employee morale and mental health. I'm sure many of you can attest to this, right? The High Court's recent decision in Tilana Alita Law versus Jan Matthews Christian Fourie and Netcare Universitas Hospital brings the issue to the fore.